This scrambled egg sandwich is made so easy and fast. In a small bowl, beat egg, black pepper, salt, and water. Put a pan on medium flame and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Then pour beaten egg in. After 1 minute, scramble it. Finally, mix it with mayonnaise and set aside. Pour some mozzarella cheese on the bread slice. Then add scrambled egg and some mozzarella cheese again. Put another slice of bread on the top and spread some butter. Heat a pan and put the sandwich in it. Spread some butter on the other side of the sandwich. Cook both sides until golden brown.